The GTA 6 pre-orders are live. The cover art is out. And what about trailer 3? Still nowhere. Rockstar is sitting on it. And today we are breaking down exactly when it's dropping, why they are holding it back, and what's trailer 3 actually going to show us. So let's just start the video. Just a quick recap so we are all on the same page. Trailer 1 gave us our first look at the new Vice City, Leonida, Jason and Lucia, and all the social media chaos. Trailer 2 dropped over a year ago, opening with Jason picking Lucia up after she's released from prison. Then there's clips of robberies, parties, and their whole chaotic relationship. That was May 2025. It is now July 2026. That's over 13 months of silence between the trailers. Okay, so here's what changed everything. Back in May, Take-Two CEO Strauss Zelnick told investors on the Q4 earnings call that marketing wouldn't ramp up until the start of summer. Then on June 18th, Rockstar dropped two things at once: the official GT 6 box art and confirmation that pre-orders would go live on June 25th. Pre-orders did go live, 79.99 for standard and 99.99 for the ultimate edition. The pre-download is set for November 12th ahead of the November 19th launch. But here's actually the part that everyone expected but didn't get. There was no trailer 3 from Rockstar Games. They just showed us the cover art and the announcement for pre-orders. So what's the wait for? They just didn't need it. The hype for this game is so absurd that Rockstar just revealed the cover art alone. No trailer required. That's a flex, but it also means that they're saving their biggest marketing strategy for when they actually need to release it. Most probably closer to the actual release of the game. So when is it actually dropping? Here's the real answer. Rockstar has not confirmed any date. Anyone telling you any exact day is just guessing. But here's the most credible window based on patterns and reporting as of today. The current expectation for Trailer 3 has shifted from late July to mid-August. That lines up with two things: giving pre-orders room to breathe on their own and following Rockstar's own playbook from Red Dead Redemption 2. Cinematic trailer, story trailer, and then gameplay trailer. We already got trailer 1 and trailer 2 for GTA 6. And most likely in trailer 3, we might see some gameplay footages. But we're not sure, cause for Red Dead Redemption 2, we got it near its actual release. So yeah, expect trailer 3 to drop around August, and you can expect the gameplay footage trailer to drop near the release. And if we are talking about what trailer 3 will probably show, then it will show more of the Leonida City, the Vice City, and probably some references from the original Grand Theft Auto Vice City. There will be more mission cutscenes, and we'll get to see more social media features and the other things such as wildlife, cars, bikes, and all of the transportation system. And here's a fun fact: other publishers are already clearing their release calendars to avoid launching anywhere near GTA 6. So to sum it up, the pre-orders are live right now, and the cover art has been officially released, and trailer 3 is coming, most likely late July to mid-August, with the gameplay trailer probably around the release of the official game. So that's pretty much it for today's video. If you guys are interested in more gaming content and news, then make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Take care and bye bye.